Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check and fill up the engine oil of your Mercedes-Benz C180 Coupe. First step, open the driver's side and pull the lever at the area of the pedals. Depending on your driving style, oh yeah, the vehicle consumes up to 0.8 liters of oil per 1000 kilometers. The oil consumption may be higher than this when the vehicle is new or if you frequently drive at high engine speed. Open the car hood by switch up the opening part of your car hood and rest it on the upper side. Park the vehicle on a level surface. The engine should be switched off for approximately 5 minutes if the engine is at normal operation temperature. Let's go. There it is, the dipstick. Pull oil dipstick out of the oil dipstick tube. Wipe off oil dipstick. Slowly slide oil dipstick into the guide tube to the stop and take it out again. If the level is between MIN mark and MAX mark, the oil level is correct. If the oil level has dropped to minimum mark or below, top up with 1 liter of engine oil. In this case, it's a good level of engine oil. If you have to top up a little bit, turn cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Top up the engine oil. If the oil level is at or below the minimum marks, this is 1 liter range, replace the cap on the filler neck and turn clockwise. Make sure that the cap locks securely into place. Check the oil level again with the oil stick. Close the car hood and job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback and see you next time. Soon.